Cheese puffs. Woo! Lovely, delicious. Guess what? You can eat them. Chomp them. Smell them. Lick them. Smell them. And you can spell with them. Watch. Robert feels the love for girls. Yes. So me and Kayla both.
Mine says hi.
Likes. Mine says, ow. You guys want to see a funny trick? Watch it. Ah! Ah! Whoa! Watch us and do surprise attacks. I'm all the way back here. Oh, you know what's funny? You should go see Kayla Z. She burned me. Doesn't come out of my
Don't try. And also these corn. What are these called?
Chester's plus cheese.
Get these. These.
They just came out of my mouth too.
Yeah. They are long. See? Long.
Well, we have to clean these up because my mom will be mad. Dude, those have hair on them.
Ew.
Read this one. This one's good. This one's
Woo.
good. One for you and one for me. Presented by Alex and Kayla Barn.
Oh,